Hi everyone, this is our T&L lateral irrigator, watering lucerne here in Australia. It works by, it's got a 50 horsepower diesel motor on it that drives a hydraulic pump. Try and get you a bit of a view of it here. And then there's hydraulic motors on all the wheels that drives it along. And to steer so it knows where it's got to go, it follows this wire along the edge of the lucerne. And then it's got its own hose that it drags along behind it to supply the water.
This is a T&L precision linear control panel, the brains of the whole system. We had telemetry installed so you can start and stop the irrigation pump from the irrigator. You need very little water pressure for laterals to work. As you can see, this is operating at about 18 psi. It very slowly crawls its way along the paddock. To apply 15mm, which is what we normally put on in a pass, it's walking at about half a metre a minute. This is the hose that supplies the water to the irrigator. It's 200 metres of 5-inch lay-flat Angus hose. When the irrigator gets to the end of this run, we'll hook on to the other end of the hose with the tractor and tow it up to the next hydrant so it can continue on down the paddock. We had serious problems with wheel tracks at the end of last season, so all the wheel tracks have been filled in with gravel, and so far they're holding up really well this year. And we also set the irrigator up with part circle sprinklers next to the towers to try and keep the water away from the wheel a bit, but still drawing water right up to the wheels. These are R3000 Nelson sprinklers. We had S3000s to start with, but couldn't get the water in at all. And the difference between the S3000s and the R3000s is phenomenal. They just throw that much further and just gives it that bit longer to soak in. This is a control valve that keeps all the towers in line. It's nice and simple. Seems to work well. It's just a hydraulic valve with a cable that pulls on the valve to speed the tower up or slow the tower down.